Magandang araw mga ka-financial Juan. Welcome to episode 3. Alam kong marami sa inyo ang forever nakascroll sa Facebook, Instagram, at TikTok. Pero what if sabihin ko sa inyo na yung social media addiction nyo ay pwedeng maging additional income? Yes, tama ang narinig nyo, ang screen time nyo can actually make you money. Sa third business model natin, perfect ito para sa mga social butterfly online. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na laging updated sa trending, magaling makipag-engage sa comment section, at may creative mind para sa content, then this episode is definitely para sa iyo. Let me explain kung ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang social media manager. Content creation at curation. Paggawa ng mga caption na nakaka-engage at relatable. Example, hindi lang basta buy now, kundi storytelling about the product. Tip, share behind-the-scenes content para mas authentic. Pag-edit ng photos na bagay sa brand identity. Dapat consistent ang color scheme at style. Using templates pero may personal touch. Paggawa ng trending style videos at reels. Following pero hindi kopya ng current trends. Adding local flavor sa global trends. Pagsulat ng compelling copy para sa ads. Mix of Taglish para mas natural ang dating. Understanding Filipino buying behavior. Community management. Pag-handle ng comments at messages. Always maintaining professionalism kahit negative ang comment. Quick response time, ideally within hours. Customer service na may personal touch. Using conversational Taglish. Understanding Filipino customer expectations. Building engagement sa community. Creating polls na relevant sa Pinoy audience. Organizing digital events like live selling. Pag-moderate ng user content. Setting clear community guidelines. Handling sensitive topics with care. Strategy at analytics. Monthly content planning. Consider Filipino holidays at celebrations. Plan around payday periods. Peak time analysis. Study kung kailan active ang Pinoy market. Adjust for different time zone ng target audience. Performance tracking. Focus on metrics na important sa client. Regular reporting in simple, understandable terms. Your target market, sino ba ang mga potential clients mo? Mga local businesses. Mga restaurant at cafe. Daily food photos at menu updates. Behind the scenes sa kitchen. At customer testimonials at food reviews. Retail stores. Product showcase with styling tips. Sale announcements. At stock updates. Beauty salons. Before and after transformations. Styling tutorials. At promo announcements. Fitness centers. Workout tips. Member success stories. At class schedules at promos. Para sa mga professional services. Lawyers. Legal tips in simple Taglish. Frequently asked questions about common legal issues. At success story features. Doctors at clinics. Health tips na madaling intindihin. Patient testimonials. At service features. Real estate agents. Property showcases. Area guides. At investment tips. Financial advisors. Money tips in conversational Taglish. Market updates. At client success stories. Starting capital breakdown. Basic equipments kung wala ka pa. Decent smartphone, 20,000 pesos. Ring light, 1,000 pesos. At simple backdrop, 500 pesos. Monthly subscriptions. Canva Pro, 600 pesos. Later or Planoly, 1,000 pesos. At cloud storage, 250 pesos. Learning resources. Online courses, 2,500 pesos. Ebooks, 1,000 pesos. At practice tools, 1,000 pesos. Total initial investment, 26,850 pesos. Monthly potential income. Beginner level, isang client. Base rate, 15,000 pesos. Extra services, 3,000 pesos. Total potential income, 18,000 pesos. Intermediate level, 2 to 3 clients. Base rate, 30,000 to 45,000 pesos. Extra services, 6,000 to 9,000 pesos. Total potential income, 36,000 to 54,000 pesos. Advanced level, 4 to 5 clients. Base rate, 60,000 to 75,000 pesos. Extra services, 12,000 to 15,000 pesos. Total potential income, 72,000 to 90,000 pesos. Agency level, between 11 and 40 clients. Base income, 100,000 pesos plus. Team commission, 30,000 pesos plus. Total potential income, 130,000 pesos plus. Service packages. Basic package, 15,000 pesos monthly. Perfect ito para sa mga small business na nagsisimula pa lang. 15 posts every month. Basic engagement management. Like at reply sa comments. Simple customer inquiries. Weekly status updates sa client. Basic hashtag research. Regular posting schedule. 8 hours customer service. Standard package, 25,000 pesos monthly. Para ito sa mga businesses na gustong mag-level up ang social media presence. 25 posts monthly. 4 story updates per week. 2 trending style videos. Bi-weekly reports. Advanced hashtag strategy. Content calendar. 12 hours customer service. At basic competitor analysis. Premium package, 35,000 pesos monthly. Para ito sa mga serious na about their social media growth. 35 posts monthly. Daily story updates. 4 video content pieces. Weekly detailed reports. Trend analysis. Crisis management. 6 hours customer service. Full analytics. Influencer coordination. Monthly content shooting. Growth timeline. First 3 months is your foundation period. Ito ang crucial period mo para makapag-build ng foundation. Focus on one platform muna. Get 2 to 3 practice clients. Pwedeng mag-start sa family business or sa mga small businesses sa community. Network building. Join Facebook groups for businesses or attend online business seminars. Learn basic skills like photo editing, caption writing, at basic graphic design. 4 to 6 months is your growth stage. Time to monetize your skills. Target 2 to 3 paying clients. Create your systems. Content calendar template. Client reporting template. At response templates. Build your portfolio. Document your results. Get testimonials. At create case studies. 7 to 12 months scaling phase. Expanding your business. Hire your first VA. Train them sa basic tasks. And create standard procedures. Implement automation. Scheduling tools. Response systems. At analytics tracking. Build your team. Content creators. Community managers. And graphic designers. Success tips. Portfolio building. Paano ba magkaroon ng magandang portfolio? Create sample campaigns. Choose different industries. Show variety of content. And highlight results. Document your own social media growth. Share your learning journey. Show before and after. Volunteer sa small businesses. Local shops. Community organizations. At sa mga startup businesses. Client acquisition. Paano ba kumuha ng clients? Start sa personal network. Family businesses. Friends with businesses. Previous workmates. Join business groups. Local business organizations. Online entrepreneurship groups. Industry-specific communities. Create value first. Share tips online. Give free consultations. Host workshops. Reinvestment strategy. Growing your social media management business. Months 1 to 3. Skills upgrading, 40%. Tools and subscriptions, 30%. Portfolio development, 20%. Network building, 10%. Months 4 to 6. Advanced courses, 35%. Premium tools, 30%. Team training, 25%. Emergency fund, 10%. month 7 to 12. Agency building, 40%. Advanced automation, 30%. Team expansion, 20%. Client acquisition, 10%. Inspirational case study. Let's learn from Paolo in Makati. Starting point. He started with one client for a local restaurant. Learned basic Canva skills. And used phone camera only for a start. Growth phase. He specialized in F&B. Built template system. And created a content team. Current status. They are managing 15 accounts. He has a team of 5. Their monthly revenue, 150,000 pesos. And targeting international clients. Please note, income shown in this video varies depending on multiple factors including effort, market conditions, and business strategy. At yan po ang ating comprehensive guide sa social media management. Remember, mga ka-financial Juan, ang social media hindi lang para sa pag-scroll at pag-like. It's a powerful tool para kumita at tulungan ang ibang businesses na lumago. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang episode na to? Don't forget to like, share, at mag-subscribe para laging updated sa latest money-making opportunities. At syempre, i-turn on ang notification bell para hindi ma-miss ang next episode tungkol sa load at e-wallet arbitrage, another money-making method na pwede gawing negosyo. This is your Financial Juan, helping you turn your online time into overtime pay. Hanggang sa susunod na episode.